American rappers, American trap rappers, American trap rappers. How many times did I call you? I called you katatu agiri. Please, your music is nice. Your beats are legit. Your problem is your lyrics. There's no equilibrium. There's no equilibrium because we can't hear what you are saying. Why don't you just try open your mouth and say the lyrics as they are? Because we are struggling to understand what you'll be talking about. If it's not, we cannot hear anything. Please bear with us. Bear with us, please, especially us here from the Africa here. We don't understand what is going on. Us will be thinking that the ancestors are now taking off. Please, cater for us. Speak words that we can understand. What are you saying? Really, what are you saying? And it's not only me complaining. Please, titray mush ndapota hangu. Ndapota, please.